Guys, I'm a little confused. A lot of people are comparing Seedance 2.0 with Happy Horse 1.0, but I don't think that's a fair comparison. This is the first video model from Alibaba, whereas Seedance 2.0 has already had multiple releases. If you really want to compare Seedance 2.0 with another model, it makes more sense to compare it with Kling V3 4K. So today, I'm going to compare these two models. I'll use the same prompt and share the results with you. I'll be testing the prompts on PoE AI. If you use my referral link in the description, you'll get 25 free credits, plus an extra 10% discount on all plans if you subscribe within 24 hours for the next 2 months. So I created a prompt. It goes something like this. I want to create a cinematic shot where a female gang leader is entering a room and one of her coworkers offers her a cigarette. Kling V3 4K was recently launched. It can create videos up to 15 seconds, but I want to go with 10 seconds. I pasted the prompt, selected 4K, set the duration to 10 seconds, and hit the generate button. Okay, within a few seconds, the video is ready.
There are 3 millions only.
Tell him to send more within 3 days.
And it looks pretty dope. This is cool. Now, coming to Seedance 2.0, I'm using the fast version because I don't want to spend too many credits. I've again selected 10 seconds, set it to 720p, used the same prompt, and hit generate. Within a few seconds, the video is ready.
There are 3 millions only.
Tell him to send more within 3 days.
As you can see, both models look really good. And I can assure you, if we used the Seedance 2.0 VIP model, the results would be even better. Now, here's my take. When it comes to physics and motion, Kling V3 is slightly better than Seedance 2.0. But on the other hand, Seedance 2.0 understands your intent better. It processes your prompt more deeply and tries to imagine the scene, so you get results that are more aligned with your idea. And the quality is really good. I've even tried it at 1080p before. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know which model I should try next.